What's up everybody? Welcome to Chemical Guys Detail Garage on day 2 of our Can-Am detail. Now in our first video you saw that we washed it, cleaned the undercarriage as well as the wheel wells and the wheels to reveal the factory fresh look of this vehicle. It's a brand new 2019, if you can believe that, Can-Am, but the owner likes to take it out, it gets dirty, it gets beat up, and that's kind of what these vehicles are made for. These are very utilitarian, where they are basically meant to go out there, have some fun, go explore trails, but being a detailer, we want it to look its best, and since this vehicle is going to be put up for the next few months, we want it to be put away nice and clean so that it's not collecting rust, it's not getting any kind of stains that are going to be permanent, but it's going to have that factory showroom and retain most of its value. But today, we're going to show you how to clean up this really nasty interior. As I mentioned, this guy goes off-roading, he goes in the dunes, and inside of here, it's like a sand castle. It's a kid's playpen, basically, of sand and dirt. And luckily, this car has portholes in the floor, which is meant for drainage. So we're gonna start by cleaning off from the top down, working our way around the inside of the vehicle to remove the dust, any kind of mud or anything else that this thing collects. And then we'll clean the seats, which are made of a waterproof or water repellent material, using some nonsense to remove any kind of stains or spills, because again, this is an off-road vehicle and you're gonna make a mess in there. So we want it to look its best, and then we need to move on to the exterior for one final step. We'll show you how to do that in our last video coming up this Friday.